Well, all right, it is Tuesday, June 11, just after the market closed, 1:10 p.m. Usually not trading this late, but I got off to a late start. And with all the technical problems with Apex, I literally couldn't even sign into Rhythmic this morning. So I went back to sleep and then started late. And and then at the same time that I was watching the NQ today, I was also following GameStop, and that was a pretty exciting day there. So today took a long time, but I finally got a trade here towards the end of the day. It was probably about, I don't know, almost 3 Eastern. And finally got a trade. It's funny, someone came into my chat and said, take a trade. And so that's in honor of you, whoever that was that came in to take a trade. Probably didn't stick around to see it, but I did take a trade right after you tried to taunt me. So good job there. Thanks. Got the win, and I appreciate that. So come back and say hi anytime. And also up on GameStop today. So I'm going to just make this a very short and quick review. Basically, I just didn't see anything I really liked. There were probably 2 or 3 things kind of in this area that I considered, but I didn't take. I think I did the right thing, just staying out of it until I found something that I liked a little bit more. And even the trade that I ultimately did take, let's see here. Let me take all this stuff off the screen here. Even this trade that I took right here, I didn't love it, but what I did like is, we had a pretty solid move up. I saw this measured move pretty early on. I didn't think we were actually going to get there. We got there and much further. So we had already gotten there. And what I noticed is we had to push through the, spike through the upper Bollinger. We tested it again, came down to the bottom, and, got past the midline, but couldn't get all the way back up, got to the bottom again, spiked through it a second time. And for me, it was a new high, first entry long, second entry long. I didn't love that I had to take it on the engulfing, but and after these kind of sideways bars, but I took it. Next bar gave me a little bit of a feeling of like maybe I shouldn't have taken it, and then got the higher low, and it went on to working. I got, I believe, 6.25 points or so. Let's see here. I was in at 375 and out at 875. So I got 5 points on the first position, and then the second contracts got out at 9. So what was that, 5.25 points? 6.25 points? What is it? No, 5.25 points. So all in all, I'm happy with the trade. And let's see here. So that one trade gave me 197 on the PA account, trading 2 contracts, and then trading 6 contracts on evaluation 43, which is the 250K account, made 581. And then on the other 3 evaluations, up 389 on each, trading 4 contracts on those. So not too bad. A little bit of a struggle to finally find a trade today, but sometimes that's the way it goes. And I found for myself that I do the best when I just wait, be patient, take a trade that makes sense to me according to what I'm looking for. And today it took that long to find one, but I finally found one. So whoever wants to come in and give me shit for not taking a trade, that one's an honor of you. And hey, I'm happy with one trade today. There's been a ton of technical issues with Apex, Rhythmic, and I really haven't been looking to trade because I just don't want to trade and have a problem on Rhythmic in the middle of a trade. So that's the deal there. And yeah, I think I've said it all. So pick up those 90% discount accounts if you need them. Otherwise, we'll see if they extend it. They've had a lot of issues, so I think there's a chance that they will extend it. And I will be back tomorrow. I haven't been making the 9:25 a.m. stream. I've been later. So if I'm not there at 9:25 Eastern, come back and check out for me. See if I come on a little bit later than that. But just the way things have been going with Apex, technical issues, Rhythmic, and I've had a lot of focus on GameStop. So here's my GameStop. And let's see. Take that off there. And that. So here's my GameStop position. It closed at 30.50. Real nice for me. Here's all my calls down here. I've got a total of 6 calls right now, and I've got 120 shares. I'm up about $2,300 as of the close of the market. And this thing, it was trying to rip all day, but it had one big push up in the early morning, and it was sideways for a lot of the day, and then finally it started ripping. And I want to see some follow through tomorrow, hopefully. And then I'm hoping they'll announce that they finished selling the 75 million new shares that they released to the market. And I'm hoping that will generate some positive price action in the overnight, and hoping for a solid morning open after the overnight without a sell-off, where I can take off some profit, because I keep not taking off profit, and then there's these big pullbacks, right? So I want to take off some profit, maybe off the January call or the October call, one of them, pocket it, and then look for another entry or a different strike to re-enter on those calls. So, all right, I think that does it. But yeah, just looking for GameStop to make a big move. I mean, GameStop's been crazy if you haven't been following it, but this is the daily chart and what it's been doing, and a lot of action, and got a nice strong bullish bar on the daily chart again, right off of my trend line that I drew here. So I'm hoping for a big push back up to like 43, and I'll take some profit. That's what I'm looking for. Come next. All right. I think I've said it all. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, and look out for my next live stream and reviews as we move through the week. Hope you had a good trading day. I'm out of here.